Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your video clip to the gallery if you're using Sharefactory, so you can actually see it on your PlayStation 5. So you might just have gone to the save option. So if we go on over to the video editor right here, and I'll go to one of my projects that I was just kind of messing around with. So if I'm under my projects now, you want to go back to this screen where you can see these edit options, the plus icon, wrench, and back. And this will reveal the save icon down here in the bottom right. Press options. Now you want to go to export to gallery and not save project. And this will export it to your PlayStation so you can actually view it and upload it. So we want to go to export to gallery right here, and it's going to render the video clip. And then once this is complete, we should be able to see it in our media gallery. And it looks like this one's going to go very slow for some reason. Only at 1%, 2% right now. So I might cancel it out. So we can hold this down now and go over to the media gallery, and we should be able to see our clip now. And we can upload it to YouTube from here. We just need to go to share, then find YouTube and upload it through here. And you should be good to go. So just make sure you export to the gallery. That's probably where you're finding an issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.